Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. Today is 20th of April, Wednesday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. Just quickly recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with a 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform and help my traders in real time, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair. Let's see how I did EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Right, so EURUSD, we were waiting whole day in 4-hour. You can see we were waiting for this breakout, and we had a breakout this morning, this afternoon, and bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to this level, we announced to bank some profit. So if I show you the intraday, you can see here we had this breakout and bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. This was the analysis. We were waiting for whole day for this breakout, and price nicely broken at the New York session and bank beautiful pips on EURUSD. Okay, so if you look at right now in EURUSD, you can see here price developed beautiful on up channel. Let's see tomorrow how the market is going to react. Let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at 4-hour, the price developed up channel, and let me share with you in 4-hour we had, after this candle, we explained to bearish engulfing candle, we had a short trade, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price keep respecting this support, reverse back to this channel. That's what we explained to trader. It's time to take a long trade. So in a London morning session we were short, and at the New York session we were long and bank beautiful pips, and we can see here we had a beautiful long trade. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, and if you look at here, we had it short trade. This was the analysis I did as soon as I finished my recording, guys. We had a beautiful short trade here after that pullback. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, we explained to trader, you can see here, mentioned here, and through live ID commentary, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful profit on pound dollar, and afterwards, as always, after the breakout, we are looking for pullback. So you can see here, we had a price based on this analysis. We have another wedge breakout, beautiful short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, we announced to bank some profit. So a few more pips, 20 pips, 25 pips more. Then at the New York session, we did this analysis and explained to my trader, look guys, price developed, respected third time here. So the safest way, if the price gonna break this resistance or this trend resistance, then probably gonna be taking a long trade here, because we can see here that was the major support level in 4-hour. So as soon as the price broken, nicely hit to the first target, which is always the first fib channel, bank beautiful pips. And then I explained to my trader, look for another pullback as soon as the price after the breakout. As always, that pullback short trade here based on the momentum. That's what I explained to my trader. And even if you look at very carefully, we had it another bull flag pattern, breakout and pullback. Look at the bottom momentum, look at the 4-hour up channel, beautiful pips on pound dollar. We had it today, both short and long. Right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. What an amazing trade we had at dollar CAD today. As you can see, yesterday we hadn't had even one trade in yesterday. Let me share with you the 4-hour. You can see here yesterday the price developed consolidation. If you look at the previous price action, impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive. So today we were watching this breakout. We had a beautiful breakout. As always mentioned to my trader, whenever the price break this structure, just enjoying pullback. And that's why our intraday system support with the 4-hour price action. You can see here, based on the momentum, we had a beautiful all pullbacks. And I keep telling my traders, just keep taking pullbacks. We get alert every time when the price develop a pullback. We have this alert, this one. Top of that, we had an analysis as well. You can see a beautiful pullback short trade. Let me share with you the analysis. And if you look at the, okay, let me share the analysis, you guys. You can see here, this was the analysis. We had looking technically, we were looking this consolidation breakout, and this consolidation broken in the London morning session. But I said to my trader, always look for the confirmation. And after the breakout, we were looking a pullback. You can see here, after the breakout, price nicely developed pullback. We had this consolidation breakout. Then we had another pullback. We have another pullback. Beautiful. So we had such an amazing trade. Today was the best trading day, best trading trades on the EURUSD. Amazing pips. Most of the traders banked and enjoyed dollar CAD short trade here. You can see based on the 4-hour price action through intraday analysis. So we had amazing trades, especially on dollar CAD and the dollar Swiss franc too. Let me share with you the dollar Swiss franc trade as well. You can see here again the big structure is broken, and based on that, but this morning as soon as the price developed this candle, afterwards when the price developed very bullish rejection at the resistance level, you can see here, beautiful, we were short, pullback short on dollar Swiss franc. And if you look at the intraday, we had this breakout, and afterwards, as always, after the breakout, look at here, pullback short, momentum bearish. And let me share with you the analysis, guys. And if you look at here, this was the analysis. London morning session, you can see the breakout. We had a very small long trade. As soon as the price hit this level, we hardly came out at the break even on this one. But at the New York session, you can see here the timing. We explained to trader, look at, because price could not maintain this level. That's what we explained to trader. This is the false breakout. Look at in 4-hour, we had such a beautiful rejection. Right now we're looking this breakout, and that's what we explained to trader. Look for, if the price is going to break previous high, previous low, this trend support line broken, look at the bottom, momentum, and now journey start. So look at this line, you can see this trend line just extended. You can see here, beautiful breakout, pullback. So we had enjoying it today, pipping. Most of the traders bank 80, 90, even 100 pips today. Beautiful trades, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. We had a beautiful, if you pick up any pair, you can see a beautiful breakout, long trade. We had a counter short trade in a dollar Swiss franc. That's what we explained to trader. Let me share with you the analysis, which I explained in more details. If you look at the analysis, this is the analysis. We were looking in a counter, and I explained to my trader, if the price is going to develop, head and shoulder pattern, as you can see here, then we should be taking a short trade here. What happened here, if you look at here, the price developed head and shoulder pattern here. And as soon as the price broke on the previous low, and I said to my trader, as long as the price can respect, we should be taking a short trade here, because we're watching in 4-hour. You can see here, price nicely respected 200 EMA, beautiful short trade. So we had amazing trade, most of the trades today, and I hope you enjoy all this analysis. And if you would like to see all that analysis in the real time, alongside with the live audio commentary support with the 4-hour analysis, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, my main objective is to train trader with the live market through this live intraday analysis, so they can develop their trading skill in real time. And if they produce good results, we can also help them to arrange trading funds, so they can make a huge commission by trading over funds. So if you are interested, feel free. I'm offering one-to-one free consultation. My link, availability calendar link, is also given in the video description. So most welcome if you are interested, or even if you are experienced trader. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.